Digital Face Media partnered with Comet Electric to translate a relationship-driven legacy business development model into a credibility-rich digital presence that reflects the true scale and complexity of its work. The engagement centered on a new website and project portfolio that visually and narratively demonstrate why Comet is trusted with multi-million-dollar commercial, industrial, transportation, and aviation projects across Southern California and the Western U.S. Let's do a little deeper dive into the client. Comet is a full-service electrical contractor founded in 1976 and headquartered in Chatsworth, California, with additional facilities in South El Monte. The company delivers design-build, design-assist, and installation services across sectors, including commercial and industrial, aviation, transportation transit, data centers, education, healthcare, public works, and street lighting traffic signals. Comet executes large, complex projects supported by substantial bonding capacity and a union workforce, and is certified as a local business enterprise by the City of Los Angeles. Its work spans high-visibility transit corridors, airport terminals, education and technical training facilities, and mission-critical infrastructure that must operate reliably and safely at scale. Now about Comet's business environment. Comet's major pursuits: multi-million-dollar work in transportation, aviation, and large commercial industrial facilities are awarded based on relationships, reputation, and proven execution rather than casual web searches. The existing digital footprint did not fully convey the size, complexity, and technical rigor of Comet's portfolio to general contractors, owners, and institutional clients who increasingly expect strong online proof of capability. The challenge was to build a digital ecosystem that makes Comet's experience instantly legible to non-technical decision-makers, reinforces trust among existing GC partners, and supports future growth, recruitment, and positioning in key sectors like aviation and transit. Digital Face Media and Comet Electric aligned on 4 primary objectives. Elevate Comet's positioning as a leading commercial, industrial, transportation, and aviation electrical contractor in the Western U.S. Build a project-driven website that surfaces the breadth of work across aviation, commercial and industrial, transportation, transit, and additional categories such as education, healthcare, and public works. Create a scalable project portfolio system that makes it easy to add, organize, and promote new high-profile projects. Support business development through clearer storytelling, intuitive navigation, and calls to action aligned with how large projects are actually pursued and awarded. Now, about Digital Face Media's scope of work. Digital Face Media's engagement covered strategy, content, and implementation across Comet's public-facing digital presence. Key elements included defining core positioning around Comet's history, scale, sectors served, and commitment to safety, schedule, and quality. Designing site architecture and UX around project categories such as aviation, commercial, education, healthcare, public works, street lighting, traffic signal, tenant improvements, and transportation transit. Building a project index with category filtering and a repeatable project detail template emphasizing scope, sector, and Comet's role on each job. Shaping project narratives to highlight technical complexity, coordination with GCs and public agencies, and outcomes like schedule performance and operational reliability. Integrating credibility signals, awards, certifications, affiliations, history, and locations prominently throughout the site. Outcomes and value. The new digital experience presents Comet Electric as a modern, highly capable, and trustworthy partner for large-scale electrical projects, aligning the online story with the reality of its field operations. General contractors, owners, and institutional clients can quickly find relevant projects, understand sector experience, and validate that Comet has the resources and track record to manage complex work. For Comet's leadership and business development teams, the website and project portfolio now function as core tools in pursuits, RFP responses, and stakeholder briefings, reinforcing that partners do not discover Comet on search engines. They select Comet because of proven performance, now clearly documented and amplified through focused professional media content. Founded in 2013, Digital Face Media is headquartered in Boise, Idaho, with studio and staging operations north of Seattle and key team members in Lake Stevens, Charlotte, and Dhaka. Thank you for taking the time to review our work with this client. We wish you well and stand ready to help whenever you call.